Yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's JD Montclair. Welcome back to another video. You guys read the title. Today, I got a really crazy spot I'm going to. It's like 20 minutes away, but I'm gonna strap on the GoPro. Last time, the setup was a little ghetto just because I didn't have like the actual head mount. I have an even more jankier setup now, but this will be better because I'll have it like above my head. I'm about to put it on. This place is crazy if it actually is as good as it sounds. You guys are gonna see it, but I gotta show you the exhaust, this time with the right POV. So let me switch over. The car is right there. Almost forgot where it was for a minute. And we're gonna see how it looks now. All right, let me empty out my bag and show you what we're working with this time. As per last time, I had it strapped up to my chest. This time I have this attachment here and my sleeping mask, and I'm gonna wear it backwards. It was a Lexus. It was, I don't know if it was a 350 or 250, but it was the 4th gen. Here, look, it's gonna go like this, and around my head. I don't know if it's gonna work, bro, but the place we're going to is fire, so I gotta get some POV. This time, hopefully it's better, but we'll see what it looks like once I'm inside the car. All right, yo, I'm not even gonna show this, bro.
But what the hell,
Bro, this setup is so ghetto, dude. Like, look at this. It's a little bad. I think you guys also might forget that I'm tall.
Stop the cap.
So I hope the angles this time aren't as bad, just because the camera is almost hitting the roof right now. But let's go to the secret location now. A cold start, and then we're going to the secret location. All right, there's an underpass. We're still not in the roads I want to be at, but we'll see what we can do. Bro, the droning is pretty bad. I'm not gonna cap though. I know a lot of people were asking how the droning is with the res and the muffler delete. It's bad. It's not horrible, but it is bad. Which, that's why I said I'm gonna change the resonator. Once I change that, hopefully that fixes the droning inside of the car. Right, I'm gonna turn on ECT power. I gotta make sure I don't flick the snow one on. All right, there we go, now it's on. Switch. Bro, that's so clean, dude. It's like peak, what's it called? Lexus engineering at its finest. And anyone who says, I always get the comments, people are like, oh, why didn't you just get the 3IS? Why didn't you get the 4IS? I'm not gonna cap. 3IS looks better. The 4IS looks insane. It looks 100 times better than the 2IS's. But when it comes to speed, you can't beat it. You just can't beat any second gen Lexus, especially if it's like the rear wheel drive with like maybe like 2007. Yeah, there's just, you're not winning, bro. You're just not. Yeah, but you see now, as I was saying earlier, I do smell a little bit of that sulfur, bro. I think it definitely might be the cats, which again, if I delete them, it's not that big of a deal. But I definitely was like, I don't know. I still need to learn about exhaust. I haven't posted the other video that you guys are gonna see tomorrow on Thursday. I'm filming this on a Wednesday. So when you guys see that, then if anyone knows about exhaust, y'all will reach out to me. If not, if anyone's seeing this that knows about exhaust, definitely hit me up. How much y'all can see this, but even this looks crazy. Look at that. I have no clue, bro, if I'm just sticking my head out for nothing. But look at that building, bro. One day I just hit you on the top. My bad fam. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's do the reveal of the location. Let's see if is it valid. Is it valid? Look at this. Bro, this is actually fire. I gotta turn off the lights for my car, but this is insane. Let me flip this so y'all can see. We got the bridge over there and New York City in the back. I don't know if I'm allowed to be here, but it's for the gram. It's for YouTube. So this is actually insane. Let me now, the video isn't done yet, but this is what pretty much the 2011 IS350 sounds like with the res delete and the muffler delete. Like I said before, once we get this burble tune, y'all are not ready for how crazy it's about to sound. Hopefully it also stops the droning when I get the new resonator. But hey, listen, let me put my camera down, let me take some shots, and then after that, we get back into the car. Maybe we'll go to the second location. It's not too far from here. We might as well just go check it out. I mean, we might as well, right? And then I'll pick up the camera then. All right, so I finished filming. The video isn't done yet. I'm gonna strap on the GoPro back on again so I can give you a POV. The road should be much more emptier now than they were before. This location is still insane. Listen, as always, the coordinates are in the description if you want to pull up. This is in Jersey, by the way, but I'm gonna put the GoPro back on. I gotta pee so bad, so we're gonna make a pit stop by McDonald's, and I'm gonna pick up the camera when we get there. All right, chat, so we're back on campus. I didn't record anymore because A, the GoPro died and it was charging, and B, I got a ticket. Now, this is gonna have to be a whole nother video, bro. This has to be about the dumbest ticket I've ever gotten, and on top of that, bro, this cop was just fiending to give me more tickets, bro. Like, he legit went to the front, smiled when he saw I had no front license plate. Listen, I'm gonna go to bed, bro. It is late. Like always, listen, just hit the like button, bro. It pushes out the content to other people who have not found the channel yet. And subscribe if you haven't, bro. Like, don't wait. Like, we're gonna blow up. It's just a matter of time. Other than that, yo, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you listened to the finest exhausts on the two IS's. And also, once this pop and burble tune comes to me and I install it, I will make a video about that. Same kind of style. This time, though, we're not gonna get a ticket. Other than that, listen, I'll see you guys in the next video.